Welcome to the world of Shakespeare. Did you try to read through the book? Found it tough? Was it Greek to you? Wondering why do we have to learn Shakespeare? Shakespeare's characters and plots are both for his time and for all the times. His characters teaches us importance of love, life and relationships. His timeless stories continue to speak to us. Have you seen Lion King? Lion King's plot is loosely based on Hamlet. That Simba is a Hamlet there, and you know the uncle Scar. I don't know how many of you all have seen. If you all have not seen, see it. It's a good movie. His characters are evergreen. When you speak of lovers, Romeo and Juliet pops in. When you think of a murderously ambitious leader, Macbeth peeps in. Confusion? Then we think about Hamlet's to be or not to be. The phrases or the idioms, tongue-tied for being speechless, wild goose chase when we are after something and we do not know where and for what we are running for. We say it's Greek to me when we do not understand. As I said in the beginning, was it Greek to you? All these are words of Shakespeare. We are steeped in Shakespeare, but we are not aware of it. His extraordinary storylines, his powerful characters, whether good or evil, his stunning quotes, all still amaze us. All the stories that Shakespeare wrote was not Shakespeare's inventions. He took stories from others, but he retold it to us. So, above all, if you want to be appreciated as a person who is good in English literature, you should know Shakespeare. All his stories, which were taken from various sources, were told by this wonderful storyteller in an unmatched glory that we find Shakespeare everywhere around us. Let's learn Shakespeare. What about Merchant of Venice? Yes, who is the Merchant of Venice? Antonio is the Merchant of Venice. This story, Merchant of Venice, tells us about the strong bond of friendship between Antonio and Bassanio. Definitely wish we should have a friend like that. The easy-go-lucky guy of Bassanio, most of you all are like that. A rare combination of beauty with brains in Portia. Racism, which you all learnt in Cold Within, also plays a strong storyline here. Revenge of Shylock and love of Portia. Mainly in Act 1, Scene 1, we see 6 characters. Antonio, Salenio, Bassanio. Antonio is a merchant of Venice. Bassanio is another person who just enjoys life and best friend of Antonio. Salenio, Lorenzo and Graziano are all friends of Antonio and Bassanio. And about Portia is also, it is spoken indirectly. When the story begins, Antonio is sad, a pointer towards the future tragedy that is going to set in the case of Antonio. In the first scene, through Salerino's dialogue, Shakespeare prepares the audience to believe the shipwreck that happens later by listing out the dangers at sea. Bassanio's description of his spending style gives us an idea of his luxurious lifestyle. The way Antonio opens up to Bassanio, he doesn't open up like that to Salerno and Salenio, but he opens up to Bassanio. And Antonio's readiness to help him shows the strong bond of love they have for each other. Now we'll go to the lesson. You have to open your textbook. It is not the first page. You have to leave some pages and then you come to the drama. When you come to the drama, on the first page is the characters. Can you see this? Yeah, that is it. You look after that, on left side you will see Shakespeare's language used, the Shakespeare's English used. It was a poetic language. And on the other side you see the translation. For the board exam, for the exams, questions and extracts will come from the Shakespearean English, not from the English side. But you can have a better understanding of the Shakespearean English by going through this English side. I hope it is clear. Just go through it once.